Welcome to NOFOMO's Totally Biased Campground, edition number, I don't know, 7, 8, 9, 10. Today we're at the Poinsetta State Park in South Carolina. We're on site 34. And the state park has about 50 campsites. Roughly half of them are hookup and electric, and half of them are tent size, as we are in this area. When we came here, it was all deserted, but being Thanksgiving weekend, we obviously got a couple of neighbors. Overall, the sites is fairly level. We're minus 2 degrees, so when we started, we drove on some logs. Unfortunately, they were a little rotted out, so we were able to reduce it to 1 degree of tilt, but good enough. So fairly okay. I mean, right now it rained overnight, so it's very sandy everywhere and carry the sand in and out. But yeah, so there's campsites on either direction. But yeah, pretty okay. Pretty standard fare, 18 bucks. Can't complain about that one. Bathrooms were super clean, simple, but okay. So overall, a good B from my totally biased or completely biased campsite review. If you like this, subscribe, press like, and follow us on our adventures as we travel around the US and later on